When it comes to modern electronics manufacturing, everything boils down to microns and seconds. It's a game of precision. And today, we're going to look at a machine that was built to win that game. The Southern Machinery SP830 Automatic Solder Paste Printer. Let's really dig in and see what makes it so special.
So here's what we're going to cover. First, we'll talk about the big challenge that, let's be honest, every manufacturer is up against. Then, of course, we'll introduce the SP380 itself. We're going to get right under the hood and see how it's engineered for absolute accuracy. And we'll wrap up by looking at why this machine is more than just a piece of equipment. It's really a partner for your whole production process.
You know, the core challenge in this industry is something we all see every day. Components are getting impossibly small, right? And circuit boards are packed tighter than ever. What does that mean? It means your margin for error when you're printing solder paste is, well, it's pretty much zero. We're talking about a situation where one tiny, microscopic mistake can scrap a whole complex and very expensive assembly. The stakes are just incredibly high.
So this really brings us to the big question, the one that keeps production managers and engineers awake at night. How do you get flawless precision over and over again at high speed without the machine losing its stability? It's that classic balancing act, isn't it? Speed versus quality. And you can't afford to compromise on either.
Well, that's exactly where the SP830 steps in. This machine is the answer to that question. And we're not talking about just a minor improvement here. No, this thing was engineered from the ground up to tackle that specific challenge head-on.
All right, and here it is. At its heart, the SP830 is a new generation of automatic vision printer, and it's totally in sync with leading international tech. But really, it's built to do two things exceptionally well: deliver absolute precision and maintain rock-solid stability.
Okay, so you're probably wondering, how does it actually do that? How does it achieve that level of accuracy? Let's dive in and take a closer look at the core mechanical systems that make it all happen. This is where the real engineering magic is.
First up, let's talk about the suspending adaptive scraper. This is seriously cool. The print head is fully programmable and, get this, it's self-adjusting. It has an intelligent stepper motor that lets it adapt on the fly, making sure the pressure from the scraper is absolutely perfect, not just once, but consistently on every single pass. So how do they guarantee that stability? Well, first, the whole scraper assembly moves on a four-wheel positioning slide. That means its movement is incredibly smooth. Then, you've got two separate high-precision stepper motors driving the scrapers, which allows for incredibly fine control over the pressure. And to top it all off, there's a closed-loop pressure control system providing accurate, real-time feedback. You see, stability wasn't just a feature they added, it was built into the DNA of this machine from day one. Of course, all that precision in the print head is useless if the PCB itself isn't held perfectly still, right? The SP830 has that covered. It uses this unique belt transmission system, plus flexible side clamps that grip the board securely. This whole setup locks the PCB in place, so it makes perfect, even contact with the stencil. And that right there, that's the foundation for a flawless print every time.
All right, the engineering is obviously impressive, but I know what you're thinking: show me the numbers. For any production manager, the proof is in the data. So let's get to it, because this is where the SP380 really starts to pull away from the pack.
Take a look at that number, plus or minus 0.01 millimeters. That is its repeat position accuracy. Just think about that for a second. That's the kind of insane consistency that directly translates into higher yields. It means fewer defects, way less waste, and ultimately more profit on every single board that comes off your line.
And it's not just accurate, it's fast. We're talking a cycle time of under 7 seconds. And listen to this, that doesn't even include the printing and cleaning time. This thing is an absolute beast when it comes to throughput. It's built to keep your production line humming along at max speed without ever compromising on that critical accuracy. Now, speed and accuracy are great, but you also need flexibility. And this machine is a true workhorse. It can handle a huge range of PCB sizes and thicknesses, along with all sorts of stencil frames. But honestly, the number that's going to make a lot of you sit up and take notice is that last one: product changeover in less than 5 minutes. If you're running a high-mix line, you know that is an absolute game changer. Okay, to keep that print quality perfect, you have to keep the stencil perfectly clean. It's non-negotiable. The SP830 has this awesome, versatile 3-stage cleaning system. You've got dry cleaning, wet cleaning, and vacuum cleaning. But here's the really smart part. It's completely programmable. You can run any of them by themselves, or you can mix and match them in any combination. That gives you total control to create the perfect cleaning recipe for whatever job you're running. So we've established it's precise, it's fast, it's flexible. But buying a machine like this isn't just about the specs on a sheet, is it? It's a long-term investment. It's a partnership. So let's talk about the design choices that make the SP830 a truly reliable partner for your production line, day in and day out.
In manufacturing, uptime is everything. And that's where thoughtful design really pays off. The electric circuits and gas paths are laid out to be super safe and tidy. They're arranged vertically at the sides and back. Now, why does that matter? It means your maintenance team can get in there for access and repairs way easier. And of course, it comes with a standard SM-EMA interface. It's basically plug and play, so it'll slot right into your existing SMT line with zero headaches.
And this isn't a machine that's going to be obsolete in a couple of years. It was absolutely built with the future in mind. It's an adaptable platform. So down the road, if your needs change, you can add things like automatic solder paste addition or a dispensing system. You can even upgrade to a whole-line closed-loop control system. The point is, it's designed to grow with your business, not hold it back.
So there you have it. We've looked at the smart engineering, the incredible performance numbers, and the future-proof design. Really, the only question left is the important one. Are you ready to elevate your production line with this kind of unparalleled precision and efficiency?
If you want to dive deeper into the full specs and figure out exactly how the SP830 could transform your operations, all the info is right there. Head over to smwhelp.com or just send an email to info@smwhelp.com. Thanks so much for joining us for this breakdown.